Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me the new Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE, and in this video I will check the handwriting performance of S Pen. So this S Pen come with the tablet and it has 4096 pressure sensor levels, and guys the tip is 0.7 mm. So I will check on different apps, different note taking apps. So I will first start with the Samsung Notes. So as you know, the Samsung Notes come with different pen tools. Okay, so you can change the thickness as well. Okay, and then you see I'm writing on Samsung Notes with S Pen. So you see everything is going pretty smooth. I don't find any difficulty, and the you see the latency test as well. So you can see everything is going pretty smooth. Okay, so if I change the thickness, for example, it currently it is on 18. So for example, if I try to take it on 26, okay, and then I try to write something, you can see everything is going pretty smooth. So guys, in Samsung Notes you can also convert your handwriting into the text form as well. For example, there is a tool over here, okay, convert to text. So just select it, and once you select it, you see it will show you the text option. Okay, whatever you write, so you can convert it. So you can see over here. So this is really amazing. Okay guys, so this is the first app. Okay, so now let's move to the second app. The next note-taking app that I'm going to try is Noteshelf. Okay, so I open the Noteshelf and I will try to use. Okay, you can see over here it is also going pretty smooth. Okay, you can see, and it has also the pressure sensitivity. So if I try to press it, okay, you can see how it performs. Okay guys, and then we also have different option in Noteshelf. You can also change the thickness, you can change the colors. Okay, so for example, I change the thickness to this level. Okay, and then I try to write something, so you can see over here. And if I put more pressure, you can see over here how it performs. So this is how it perform in Noteshelf. The next note-taking app that I'm going to try for the S Pen handwriting performance is Microsoft OneNote. So I open Microsoft OneNote and I try to write something. Okay, so you can see. If I put more pressure, you can see how it performs. So guys, one more thing you have to note down that this pen tip is really soft. So once you put the pressure on the screen, you feel like you are writing on a paper. Okay, so you can see over here. So this is how it works on Microsoft OneNote. The next app that I'm going to try is Flexcell. So I open the Flexcell and I try to write something. So you can see over here. Okay, and then for example, if I reduce the pen thickness, okay, and then I try to write. So this is how it perform in Flexcell app. So guys, this is for today's video. I hope you like the video, I hope you enjoy the video. So please do subscribe to my channel guys. Thank you very much.